How you doing?
I couldn't just let anybody have mine.
How you doing?
David, let me get crunchy, man.
Crunchy.
Oh, let me get crunchy.
Crunchy. You heard about Crunchy? You heard about Crunchy?
No.
You ever heard the story of Crunchy? Turn the TV down. Somebody turn the TV down. You gotta hear the story of Crunchy.
I have to hear the story of Crunchy.
Hey, everybody heard the story of Crunchy in here? Oh, you heard the story of Crunchy. You remember Crunchy? Crunchy the crackhead. Yeah, I'm gonna record that shit. I gotta record this shit.
Sit down for now. Most of you know I'm from Maryland originally. All right. So every now and again I go down there, go up there, go chill out with my family, hang around when I was a little kid. So last year I believe it was, I went to Maryland. I said, hey, I'm gonna go down to this gas station and hang out with them, right? So I go down to the gas station, and sure enough, there's somebody that I recognize right off the bat. His name's Crunchy. Nobody knows what his real name is. We just call him Crunchy because he's dark as hell. He like deep space dark.
Flav light skin compared to him.
Darker than this guy? Wait a minute.
Yes.
Whatever you pull up, he's dark.
He's a shade darker.
Yes.
You take a regular black to highlight his ass.
Exactly. Are you recording him? Yes. That dark. Not even that dark. Just darker.
Huh?
Darker.
Wait, hold on. I ain't even pulled the picture up yet.
Cut your computer off. That's Now, Crunchy never got my name down. We've known each other for about 16 years. He never got my name down. I assume it's because of the crack.
Oh, Crunchy's a crackhead?
He's a crackhead.
Oh, I know he got that extra darkness because, you know, crackheads be darker than their normal shade.
Yes. So, he spots me and immediately he looks at me, he's all, there go my nigga right there. That nigga. I was like, yeah, what's up, Crunchy? No, it's David. Yeah. What's up, man? What's up, dude? That's my nigga. I gotta go out and city.
Crunchy.
I need to do something. Darker than that.
Darker than this. This is the darkest dude I know.
Darker than that.
Okay.
They tell your video people, your video fans, I need a theme music. So, anybody out there, if you listen to make some theme music.
Alright, he looks at me, he's like, I got a story for you, but you need to do something. I need to go in that gas station right there. I need to get me back cigarettes.
So we only do chapters.
I was like, Crunchy, they don't come in bags. I agree because crackheads usually have good stories. They have great stories. So I go in, I buy a box of cigarettes. I take one out and I pocket the rest because I know I'm gonna ask for it. So I give him the crackhead the cigarette, and this is how he goes like this.
I thought you supported him. I'm like,
So he gets in this little storyteller mode. He sits down on the little pile of tires right here. He sits down like,
that's like hello, man.
see that nigga like this. Right across the street.
You want from the
he looked mad. I know that's a reason behind it.
I cheated too. I cheated on my phone.
I was like, yeah, all right. So you ran into dude's house and stole something, right? She's like, nah, nigga.
I'm just saying, like, look at me now.
Before all that,
Got an A minus.
I was up the street. Found this nigga, nice.
I cheated on you something.
I walked the bar and I said like this.
I had all the people.
Say this out.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna fuck it.
I think that's why y'all got women.
I'm gonna take that nigga house and I'm gonna fuck it.
4 o'clock, right?
That's exactly what I did. I was like, whatever.
I'm just praying for y'all.
So you just
Never gave us the time.
I got mine.
You think I'm going I was saying her all in class on Monday, and she'll be like, really? Like, yeah.
I was like, whatever.
She marked her for tennis, and after that, I come back.
You see right there, that nigga walked in, he saw me. This one, and then he had me He looked at
That's
me
the class
like,
slide
I'm
off
doing
the
something
most
wrong.
in, and I got an A plus in that damn class.
I was like, Crunchy, that's kind of
I seriously, you know,
Really?
slacking that
He
class.
asked me what I'm
Really?
doing. I said, well, you look like I'm doing.
fucking work. I do not need
I'm
to
fucking
be
with
in the car,
bitch.
smacking down and shit.
I'm like, well, damn,
No,
Crunchy,
we
what
know
about
that.
it? He didn't have to look at it.
You ain't gonna be doing all
For
that.
hours. I'm like, well, Crunchy,
That's why Louise.
Crunchy, what kind of? So you mean to tell me that you was getting down with this girl for like 4 hours? He's like, nigga, let me finish.
Damn,
I'm like, there's more?
I promise I was on point.
I finished with it. I walked the fuck out. Because they gonna follow behind
I'm
me.
just gonna outline this.
Where the fuck you going?
All right.
I'm just gonna be on. Let's do it like
I'll let
this.
you put my stuff back. Okay.
Well, take what I want. I'm gonna take you back to that house.
I just told you on that video.
And I thought that'd be a lesson to that crack is a hell of a drug. Well, damn, Crunchy. Crunchy, what kind of what part of the game is that, Crunchy?
Mark, I'm not getting all
Wow.
Well, damn.